Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes. And in this particular video, I am going to discuss how you can read CSV file in Python Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so for that we require one dataset file. So for that I am taking this particular file named NBA. Let me open this, and I am opening this with first Notepad. Okay, you can clearly see that this dataset having these particular columns like name, team, number, position, age, height, weight, college name and salary. Okay, and you can see that each attribute or basically data are basically separated using comma. Okay, so this is called comma separated file or CSV file. Okay, so for better understanding, you just open this with Excel. Okay, I am opening this with Excel, so we can see this data very easily. And if you want, you can just make these things so that the data will be, columns will be aligned properly. Okay, so this is actual data set. Now we want to read this in our Jupyter notebook. How we can do that? For that, first of all, you have to import the pandas. Okay, because using pandas library we read files. Okay, so import pandas. Okay, now if you want to get some particular property, or you can say methods of pandas, then each time you have to write pandas dot that method name, right? So instead of that, what we can do, we can make this sorted. Okay, so import pandas as pd we can write. So as a result, what will happen, each time instead of writing this much bigger word pandas, we can write pd and we can use the properties of pandas. Okay, and then what we will be doing, we will be reading our file, so that we will be storing suppose e variable. Okay, so e equal to pd dot. Okay, as you want to read CSV file, so you have to write read then underscore CSV. Okay, and then give parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, first of all you have to give the file address. Okay, so I'll be going to NBA and then going to properties, and here the location I'll be simply copying. Okay, so in C, in users, in Satadru Mukherjee, in desktop it is stored, right? So that I'll be taking and I'll be pasting that here. Okay, then we have to take the file name. Okay, so let us get the file name, which is basically this one, which is NBA. Okay, so NBA is the file name and this is CSV file, right? So we will giving slash nba.csv we have to write. Now remember this is the file location, right? So this is one string you have to pass, so keep this inside quotation. Okay, and all the single slash replaced by double slash. Okay, very important, otherwise you will be getting error. Okay, that's all. So using this we can read our file. Now if I run the code, now if I write e in our e variable, the data is basically stored. Now if you want to check the rows, what you can write, e dot head. Okay, and then bracket open bracket close, there is parenthesis you have to give, and then if I run, I will be getting first 5 rows by default. Okay, like name, team, number, position, age, height, weight, college and salary. Okay, suppose you don't want the 5 rows, first 5 rows, you want first 10 rows. Instead of head nothing, you can give head 10, you'll be getting first 10 rows. All right, and point to be noted here, see here none is present, same like MATLAB, here also the empty or null values are replaced by none, that is not a number. Like here you can see null value is present, right? Here in third row of salary column, here in fifth and sixth row of college column also null value is present. So you can check in the fifth and sixth row of college column there is none, in the third row of salary column is none. Okay, right? Then some more properties if I want to show you, very important, that is getting some statistical information about the data. Okay, so what you can write, e dot describe. Okay, and if you run, you will be getting the some statistical information about your data. But very important point to be noted, you will not be getting any information related to categorical variable or string related data type. Like here name is there. For name you cannot get any statistical information. For name you cannot calculate the mean, right? For name you cannot calculate the median, right? For team also same. But apart from that, number, position, sorry, number, age, height, weight and salary, these are numerical values. So for those only you will be getting information like count, what is the mean of the data set, what is the standard deviation of the data, what is minimum value, what is 25% percentile, what is 50 percentile, what is 75 percentile, that is first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, like that, and max values. Okay, all this information, statistical information you will be getting. Another way to get some information is e.info. Okay, using that also you'll be getting some information, and using this we can extract one beautiful property also. I am explaining. See here, it will give you the count of all the columns, including the categorical variable, that is string also. Here we were getting count of only the numerical values. Instead of that, here we are getting both categorical as well as numerical. Okay, and see, name is having 457 as count, team also same, number also same, position also same, age also same, height also same, weight also same. But college is different. College is having 373 rows only. So what it indicates? It indicates that college, certainly it is confirmed that college has some null values. Okay, because otherwise if we don't have any null values, then the count for name, team and college will be same, right? Why it will be different? That means that there are some null values. And from our data set also we can see in college there are null values present here and here, right? And like similarly salary also we are getting 446, that means some null value is present. Like here we can see salary in third row, there is null value, right? So these are some important concepts which I wanted to show you. Like one more thing I can show you related to data analysis after reading. So suppose you want to get the from second row to fifth row, so what you can write, remember the list slicing concept, same like that, 2:5 we can write. If we write 2:5, it will give second row, third row, fourth row. That is whatever end index you will be giving, it will go up to end index -1. Okay, if I run, I'll be getting 2, 3, 4, these three rows. Okay, so like this, some data manipulation and analysis you can do after directly importing your file. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.